Anissa from Two Traveling Texans, and I am so excited today because thanks to Herbert Woods, we are going to spend a day on a picnic boat out on the Broads. Picnicking and boating are two of my favorite things, and I can't wait to explore the Norfolk Broads. It's a national park in Norfolk, England. You can see our boat behind me. It's called the Starlight 8, and it seats 10 people, and we're gonna have it for about 8 hours. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, let's see what the boat looks like on the inside. It's really nice in here. I can't believe how well equipped this boat is. We can even cook. Here, I think this is a refrigerator. And the seating looks so comfortable. And it's nice because right now it's still a little chilly because it's 9 a.m. So we can be inside and not worry about having to be cold. And then there's like a sun deck on the inside. I mean, on the outside. That'll be nice when it gets warm. And yes, we will be driving. It's gonna be interesting. I haven't ever driven a boat before. That'll be a new thing for me. And the other important thing that I should mention is the boat has a bathroom. It's actually pretty nice for, especially for a boat toilet. It's definitely very clean. So there you have it, the boat. It's about time for us to get our lesson. We're gonna get all our stuff on board, get our lesson, and then head out to the Broads.
Right, with these basically, they just go on like a waistcoat, as you know, pop together. And you adjust them by pulling this out, okay? And that adjusts that strap there. They're self-inflating, so when you do go in the water, which you won't do, they just explode. And if you didn't explode, basically just pull that, it inflates the jacket. Alright guys,
Yeah.
so you happy with that?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, so well, you got your one there. I shall do one for you as well, madam. Want to stand up for me?
So meet our captain, Captain John. We are gonna head out onto the Broads. This might be a little tricky, but luckily John has about, I don't know, 8 hours or so of boating experience. So from our lesson, the two main points that we learned is number one, stay on the right, which I thought is a little interesting considering we're in England. Oh! And number two, don't speed. So we're taking off from Potter Heigham, famous for the Potter Heigham bridge that's behind us. We're not going to attempt going through that bridge. First, we're going to head to Benets Abbey. That's our next stop.
Okay, so we're on a picnic boat on the Norfolk Broads. It's a lovely day. Mimosas all round, I think.
Sounds good to me.
Oh, lovely sound. Woohoo.
Cheers.
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 So good day on the Broads.
Happy boat.
So we're having
Watch out the seat.
scrambled eggs and bacon for breakfast. But our breakfast is being served in courses because we have one ring.
So here is our first stop, St. Benets Abbey. This is a very old abbey, and it's actually the only one in England that Henry VIII never shut down. It's just a short walk, so let's go check it out.
I'm making a watermelon salad in a watermelon bowl.
That sounds delicious.
It'll definitely be delicious. Whether it will look pretty depends on how good the slice is.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy. We just turned left off the River Bure towards Ranworth. So we're going to make a stop there and see the town. There's supposed to be a nice church that hopefully we can climb to the top and get a really nice view. So here we are in Ranworth Village. It's a cute little village. There's a nice pub called Maltster's, and also we're going to go check out the church. There's supposed to be a really nice view from there. So behind me you see Ranworth Church. It's a lovely church, and actually you can go to the top of the tower and it's supposed to be amazing views. Unfortunately, we just don't have time. We'll have to come back.
Before you're back on course, you turn back the other way because it will carry on going round. Okay, so you can come this way a bit.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
That's fine.
Guys, I am driving this boat. It's not any kind of video magic. I'm actually driving the boat. We're back on the River Bure, and where are we heading?
Horning.
To Horning. So we're now in Horning. Look at these beautiful houses. I love the thatched roofs, and there's plenty of big boats. You got to watch out for those.
That looks amazing.
Okay. I think I've done all I can do. Or maybe a little bit more watermelon.
That's very impressive. This really is a wonderful way to spend an afternoon. Floating down the river. A lovely selection of food. It's gloriously sunny outside.
Maybe we should explain what a few things are, because some people might not be familiar with them.
This is very true. I've got a glass of pink fizz, or a bottle of pink fizz. What a nice set. Okay, so we have two different sorts of potato salad. We have Scotch eggs, which for those people who are not English is basically hard-boiled eggs surrounded in pork with breadcrumbs on the outside. Delicious. Pork pies, a hummus of some description, a selection of cold meats, some vegetables to dip in the hummus, and three different types of cheese, and this rather magnificent fruit salad here inside a watermelon, which is done by Lisa's mum.
Well, this is, I guess, of course, one of our lunch. We can't fit all the food that we brought on the table.
We're greedy people.
And we're off.
Only we're not off.
Gonna get wet, Anissa.
The GoPro is waterproof. Ooh.
Can you swish it off? I'm going to help you. And the book it says swish it off in the water first. That's one of them, another one of them do it.
Careful, don't fall.
Okay.
Good job. Oh, well done you.
Oh, look at those swans just getting in the water. Oh, there's some canoes. Or, I mean, kayaks. So what do you think of your first experience on the Broads?
Oh, it's fantastic. I love looking at all the people, the houses, the boats, and then you've got nature right next to it. It's nice. And the weather's just gotten so beautiful. The wind that we had this morning, I wasn't even going to bring my hat because it was so windy. And now I wish I had it.
I'm driving. It's fun. I'm getting the hang of this now.
That's good. You can moor then.
I'm not getting the hang of it that much.
Or what tips do you have for other people that are first-time boat drivers?
Don't get too over enthusiastic with the wheel. Small but reasonably positive movements work better than big jerky ones. Have a little bit of self-confidence and plan what you're going to do before you do it. Other than that, it's easy.
We had such a great time out on the Broads with Herbert Woods. I really know you would like it too. It was so much fun. We saw so many different birds. The scenery was beautiful and it was just so peaceful. I really recommend it. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And then also you'll have to check out my website, www.twotravelingtexans.com, where I'll have all the details about how you can book your own day rental and tips to make the most of your trip. Thanks and see you next time.